Welcome to my channel Phi Concepts CHM. This is the fourth part of the series of electrical properties of metals. Here we will see the density of energy states and Fermi energy. Density of energy states. To find the number of electrons in the system having energy E is given as N of EdE is equal to Z of EdE into F of E, equation 1, where Z of EdE is the density of energy states. F of E is probability of occupation of states. Consider a sphere, this sphere, with radius vector n from origin. This is the radius vector. All points on the surface have same energy. N represents a vector to a point nx, ny, nz such that n square is equal to nx square plus ny square plus nz square, where nx, ny, nz are integer values of points enclosing the space. Each point will represent a set of integers nx, ny, nz. And since nx, ny, nz take only integer values, the points will be located at the corner of cubes of unit volume. Each cube is a primitive cell with one lattice point. Hence, in this space, every integer specifies a state. That is, unit cube containing exactly one state. In any volume, the number of points is equal to number of unit cubes. Therefore, the number of states in any volume is equal to numerical value of volume in units of cubes of lattice parameters. Therefore, number of available states within a sphere of radius n is equal to 1 by 8 into 4 by 3 pi n cube. 1/8 is because only positive integers are allowable. Hence, only one octant of sphere is available. Therefore, the number of states within a sphere of radius n plus dn is equal to 1 by 8 into 4 by 3 pi into n plus dn the whole cube. Number of states lying in energy interval E and E plus dE is given as Z of dE equal to, we'll take the difference of these two, 1 by 8 into 4 by 3 into n plus dn the whole cube minus 1 by 8 into 4 by 3 pi n cube. This 4 into 2 is 8. So 2 into 3 is 6. So taking pi by 6 common outside the bracket, inside the bracket it is n plus dn the whole cube minus n cube. Using the formula of a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Expand n plus dn the whole cube as n cube plus dn cube plus 3n square dn plus 3dn square n minus n cube. Neglecting the higher powers of dn, since dn cube, 3dn square n are negligible, we get Z of EdE as pi by 6 into 3n square dn. Hence Z of ED is equal to pi by 2 n square dn. Equation 2. Energy of state is given by E is equal to n square h cross square pi square upon 2m a square is equal to n. We will substitute h cross is equal to h upon 2 pi. So n square pi square upon 2m a square into h upon 2 pi into h upon 2 pi. So this comes as n square h square upon 8m a square. So E is equal to n square h square upon 8m a square. Rearrange the equation to get n square is equal to 8m a square E upon h square. Equation A. Taking the square root of equation A, we get n is equal to 8m a square upon h square the whole raised to half into E raised to half. Differentiate now equation A. So n square will become 2n dn, and differentiating E, this will be, differentiation of E is 1. So 2n dn is equal to 8m a square upon h square into d. Rearrange this equation and get dn is equal to 1 by 2n into 8m a square upon h square into de. Equation 3. Substitute equation 3 into, so z of EDE is equal to pi by 2 n square dn can be written as splitting n square into n. This is pi by 2 into n dn. Substituting n as 8m a square upon h square the whole raised to half into e raised to half, and this n into equation number 3 you can substitute here as 1 by 2n into 8m a square upon h square into d. N will cancel out. We get pi by 4 into 8m a square by h square the whole raised to 3 by 2 into e raised to half de. Equation 4. From Pauli's exclusion principle, only 2 electrons are available in a given state. Therefore, the number of energy levels actually available are, multiplying the equation by 2, we'll multiply z of ed by 2, we get pi by 2 into 8m a square upon h square the whole raised to 3 by 2 into e raised to half de. Equation number 5. Using this we plot a graph of z of e versus e. We get this kind of curve. Equation 5 represents a parabolic function which is shown in this figure. Number of states present in unit volume, that is V is equal to A cube, which is 1, having energy values lying between E and E plus dE. That is, the density of energy states is, here we had A square and that is raised to 3 by 2. So that becomes A cube, and now A cube is 1. So that term is not there. So Z of EDE is equal to pi by 2 into 8m by h square the whole raised to 3 by 2 into e raised to half into dE. Equation 6. Actual number of electrons in energy interval dE is given by equation number 1, which we had seen, this one. Substituting Z of EDE pi by 2 into 8ma square upon h square the whole raised to 3 by 2 into e raised to half. This is equation number 5. We have substituted equation number 5. And f of e is 1 upon 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. Equation number 7. Or by substituting a cube, this a square raised to 3 by 2 is a cube. So a cube we will substitute as capital V. We get pi by 2 into 8m upon h square the whole raised to 3 by 2 into V e raised to half dE upon 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. Equation number 8. This distribution is shown in this figure. At T is equal to 0 degree Kelvin, all states up to EF are filled. All states above EF is empty. That is this curve. At T is equal to 0 degree Kelvin. At higher temperatures, tailing occurs. That is for T1 greater than 0 degree Kelvin. That is this curve. At still higher temperatures, the fall becomes steep. That is this one. At T2 greater than 0 degree Kelvin. Fermi energy, the expression for EF at T is equal to 0 degree Kelvin. At T is equal to 0, f of E is equal to 1. Integrating equation 7, we integrate n of ED is equal to pi by 2 into 8ma square by h square the whole raised to 3 by 2 integral e raised to half dE with limits from 0 to EF. Integration of e raised to half gives e by e raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. That 3 by 2 here is written as 2 by 3. Substituting the limits, we get EF raised to 3 by 2. And this a square raised to 3 by 2 will become a cube, and that is taken as V. Therefore, the number of electrons per unit volume can be written as, by dividing this equation by V, capital N upon V gives small n, so that is pi by 3 into 8m by h square the whole raised to 3 by 2 into EF raised to 3 by 2. Rearrange this equation to get EF raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 3n by pi into h square by 8m the whole raised to 3 by 2. Multiplying each power by 2 by 3, we get EF is equal to h square upon 8m into 3n by pi raised to 2 by 3. This 8 is written as now 2 cube. Keeping 2 outside, we have taken 2 square inside. To balance that, we have multiplying this by 2 raised to 2 by 3. So we get EF is equal to h square upon 2m into 3n upon 8 pi the whole raised to 2 by 3. This is the Fermi energy, which is the topmost energy level at 0 degree Kelvin. Thank you for watching my video.